Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and here's a little quick of what's growing in my room. But you know what? We're going to drop even more seeds because today I am entering the herb gardening competition. So I will drop the links and the hashtags down in the comments below. Here's a quick peek of some herbs I've already got going and I've already been munching on. I've got some basil and I've got some onions, lots of basil, some tomatoes, some peas. We've got a lot going on, but we're going to start even more herbs today. So first up, I have a little takeout container with 20 soil blocks. So I'm going to do 2 of each seed. It's got a nice little lid, so at the end we can go boom, just like that. So our first herb up is going to be Stevia. So I grew Stevia. I bought the plant last year. And then I saved some seeds, and we're just gonna drop a couple. And I should not be shaking this. Note to self, do not be shaking the whole seed packet over the soil blocks. That's a really bad idea. So I'm gonna come in here and I'm just gonna put a couple on each one. I'll be honest, I'm not really sure what part is the seed, so I think it's the one with the little fuzzy bits. Once I'm done with the video, I will go back in and write them all in immediately, but I'm not going to bore you with those details. Next up, we're going to do a couple dill. I already have some dill coming up, but we'll do a couple more. You can never have too much dill. I'll do 2 in each one because the butterflies absolutely love it. So we had a lot of the blue-tail swallows. Oh no, what is it? Swallowtail. So I'm going to do chervil. I've never grown chervil before, but it looks good. I think it's a mild anise flavor, which disappears when cooking. So if you don't like it, don't eat it raw, apparently. But you can use it. Looks like parsley green. Celery greens to me. Okay, and then it looks kind of weird. I'm not sure which end goes down, so I'm going to do one each way in each cell. So hopefully we'll get it right on one of them, and the other one can figure itself out. We'll cover them up. Or you know what? I'm just going to put them sideways, yeah. And then it can figure itself out. We're going to cover these up because I did not bring my vermiculite up tonight, so I can add that tomorrow. Okay, and next up is some dark Italian dark green parsley. Okay, oops. Get over here. I should have brought my tweezers, that's what I should have brought. And then some picolino basil. I started some already and only one of them came up, so I did want to start some more. So this is a perfect excuse to start a few more seeds. So we'll drop 2 in each. Hope that does better. So this is so cute. Look out, where are you? There, stop moving. There you are. This is so cute. It's from, I can't hold it still in the camera. It's from My Gardener. It's picolino basil, and it's like a little dwarf basil. And it is just the cutest thing ever. So I think it'd be really cute in like fairy gardens. But Rick at Cape Cod Life said he really likes to have it in his, it's nice for salads or whatever if you're just quick and you don't want to have to worry about chopping anything up. Oh my goodness, these seeds are huge. We're only going to do 1 of each, and that is my borage. So that always seems to do really well for me in the summers. We're tucking those in, and now we are done with that side, so I don't want to forget. We're going to go back over here with some chives. I love chives. I've had the same container of chives on my deck for probably like 12-15 years, and I've never changed the soil, and it's happy as can be, so whatever. Next up is some edible chrysanthemum. I had wanted to do feverfew, but I could not find it for the life of me. So I've already started some. I know I have the seeds somewhere, so I don't know what happened to them, but that's all right. We managed to come up with 10 seeds at the last minute. I just found out about this challenge today, so I'm hopping on board. And then next up we have a Mexican mint marigold. Aren't those print? So it's Mexican mint marigold, but it's also known as Mexican tarragon. So we're just going to kind of lay them sideways. All right, and then I have some culantro, which I have struggled to get this to germinate over the past few years, so we're gonna try again. And did I count wrong, or did I accidentally double up some seeds because I wasn't writing it down? Let me count my seed packets again. Hold on. 1. Okay, so yeah, so that's what happened. So okay, well, that was a terrible idea. So apparently one of these has 2 different varieties of seeds in it, and these ones here have nothing. So we will see when they germinate what they end up being, and then I will I will move them to the other container. That's really unfortunate. Well, I know it's not this side, so I will label this side properly, and then this side, you know what? I guess I'm not going to label it right now. I'm going to have to wait till they sprout. They're all pretty distinguishable. Like, I mean, I should be able to figure out what they are. So, well, that's awkward. Oh well, you know what? I've been gardening for a long time, and mistakes still happen. So I am gonna water this in. I'm going to be quick on this because I didn't want to have to do a lot of editing, because I need to get this video up and out tonight, and that's on me. So there we go. This is my official entry with 10 random herb seeds. So I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm probably going to need your help figuring out what these are, so make sure you're here for following videos. Thank you so much. Bye.